Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start now. Unplug the Xbox 360 Slim and wait 10 minutes to let power drain because residual charge can cause issues. Once done, flip the console and detach the hard drive bay cover on the top right. You'll need a Torx driver to access the drive. Make sure screws go into a labeled tray so you don't mix them up. Prepare the new 2. 5. Drive beside you and confirm it's compatible. This speeds the swap and avoids back and forth later. Once the cover is off and screws are organized, unscrew the mounting bracket and slide the old 2. 5. Drive straight out. Do this gently to avoid bending connectors. If the drive uses a caddy or bracket, transfer those pieces to the new drive exactly as they were. This keeps alignment correct. When inserting the replacement, align the SATA connector and press evenly, then tighten screws hand tight. Make sure not to over-torque, because stripped threads or cracked plastic will cause more trouble. You're almost done. Replace the hard drive bay cover, reconnect cables, and power the console on. Make sure connections are snug. Once booted, check the dashboard to confirm the drive is recognized. If not, format or restore your profile as needed because the system may require initialization. If the drive isn't detected, try reseating the drive and cables, swap screws, or test the drive on a PC to verify health.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.